If you feel that the default Linux Mint terminal looks boring, feels slow, or if you wish your terminal could give smart auto-suggestions like a modern IDE while typing commands, then this video is for you. Today, we're going to turn the terminal into something clean, modern, fast, and professional, without heavy themes and without breaking the system. We'll use Zsh Shell, My Zsh Shell only for plugins, and the Starship prompt to get a beautiful but practical setup. This setup is perfect for daily use, scripting, and even recording YouTube Linux theming videos. So let's get started. Before moving ahead, let's complete one important step: installing Git and curl. Git is required to download Zsh Shell plugins directly from GitHub, and curl is needed to run installer scripts for tools like My Zsh Shell and Starship. In short, without Git and curl, we simply can't move forward. All the required commands are mentioned in the video description, so you can easily follow along. Now let's understand one basic question. Why Zsh Shell? Bash is definitely very stable, but Zsh Shell is much smarter and more configurable. It offers better auto-completion, better command history handling, and powerful plugin support. That's why we'll be switching from Bash to Zsh Shell. To begin, open your terminal and install Zsh Shell. You'll find the install command in the description, so don't worry, just follow the steps. After installation, we'll set Zsh Shell as the default shell. And there's one important thing to remember here. You must log out and log back in for Zsh Shell to activate properly. Before going further, let's clear up a very common misconception. Many people think My Zsh Shell and Starship are the same thing, or that both are only for theming, but that's not true. My Zsh Shell should not be used for themes. It's best used only for plugins. Themes are usually heavy and slow, so in this setup, we'll use My Zsh Shell strictly for plugins only. When you run the official My Zsh Shell installer, it automatically creates a .zshrc file in your home directory. This file contains the basic Zsh Shell configuration, which we'll edit in the next steps. Now we'll manually install the plugins. These plugins do not come enabled by default, which is why many people get the plugin not found error. The first plugin we'll install is Autosuggestions. Once installed, you'll start seeing command suggestions as you type, just like in modern IDEs. This alone makes working in the terminal much faster and easier. The second plugin is syntax highlighting. If you type a wrong command or path, it turns red. If the command is correct, it turns green. Simple, clean, and very useful. Next, we'll configure Zsh Shell by editing the .zshrc file. The most important step here is disabling the My Zsh Shell theme, because from now on, Starship will handle the prompt. Another thing to note, we'll keep the plugin list minimal and only include essential plugins. And remember this rule: syntax highlighting should always be loaded last. You can copy the exact configuration code from the description.
This is an important setup, so take it slow and follow step by step. And if this process feels complex, I strongly recommend creating a time shift backup restore point before starting.
Now comes the star of the show, Starship. Starship is a modern, highly customizable prompt written in Rust, which makes it extremely fast with almost zero lag. The best part? The same configuration works across Bash, Zsh Shell, and Fish. Run the installer command given in the description, and Starship will be installed instantly. You only need to add one line at the end of ZSHRC, and the prompt changes immediately.
I've tried my best not to rush the explanation. If you feel the video is moving too fast, you can pause or slow it down and follow along.
At this stage, many people feel their terminal still looks weird, and this is where most setups break. The reason is simple. nerd fonts are missing. If nerd fonts are not installed, icons appear broken and it feels like something went wrong, but don't worry, we're almost there. For a flawless setup, installing JetBrains Mono Nerd Font or any nerd font is mandatory. After setting the font, don't forget to restart the terminal. You'll immediately see a clean and beautiful terminal. Next, we'll place the Starship configuration file in the correct location. You can do this from the command line, but I've already created a pre-configured starship.toml file for you. The link is in the description. Just paste this file into the .config folder in your home directory. Since this folder is hidden, enable Show Hidden Files. The shortcut is Ctrl-H. And as you can see, no flashy effects, no distractions, just the directory, Git branch, and clean symbols. This setup is perfect for both daily work and screen recording. Now let's test the complete installation. Autosuggestions, as soon as you start typing, you'll see gray text suggesting commands you've used before. Syntax highlighting, wrong paths turn red, correct ones turn green. And the prompt, clean, fast, and professional. From my experience, here's one honest piece of advice. Don't use heavy themes. Keep plugins minimal, and feel free to edit this config file to create your own custom layout. If you create Linux theming or scripting videos, this setup is pure gold. If you want, I can create a single one-command install script, share multiple Starship presets, or make a Zsh shell startup optimization guide. Let me know in the comments. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next Linux customization video. Happy hacking!